VLM low moisture cleaning today. I'm going to be using my Orc. I'm using my 175. I got some carpet detail. That's my pre-spray. Gonna do a good vacuum on it, and yeah, hope it turns out great. So I got here and there's no parking. You know, it was just easier to go with the low moisture, and I think I could accomplish it with the condition of the carpet. So we're gonna go for it and see how it turns out. And I'm just gonna do this. I ain't gonna do much talking. I'm just gonna do cleaning. So if you like that, then this is your video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so all finished up. Let me pause this real quick. Alright, so I need 2 hands to put away some of this stuff. So I went ahead and finished it up. It looked good to me. What about you? So if you like this video, go ahead and thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And leave a comment. Alright? Cold day, windy. First job of the day canceled. This is it for today. And that's alright, because I got a big weekend coming up. Alright. See you in the next video.